Today we'll be looking at the Nitecore MH12 Pro 21700 and 18650 flashlight. Today we are going to be inspecting and doing some outdoor testing on a very nice light from Nitecore, the MH12 Pro flashlight. Before we begin looking at this light, if you enjoy high-end flashlights and outdoor equipment, or if you like funny and off-the-wall shorts videos, please subscribe. We do crank out a lot of shorts videos on not normal behavior. Getting back to this light from Nitecore, it is a 3300 lumen carry style light. It comes with a USB-C cable, a spare O-ring, a removable clip that is also a two-way clip, which is perfect, and it also has two different slot options to place the clip, making this light very carry friendly. Although I'm not a person who carries around a light in a holster, Nitecore has also included a very nice holster as well, and a strong lanyard. And this lanyard did pass the torture test, which if you watch my videos, you know how few lanyards pass that test. One of the best features, and perhaps the most standout feature on this light, is the way Nitecore has CNC'd this hard anodized aluminum body. The light has a very secure and comfortable grip, and the way they designed and really I'd say decorated the body of this light, it's very functional and very nice looking. It has a spiral added into the texturing that really sets this light apart in appearance. There's also some very nice details on the bezel, and the threading on this light is like butter. The light is just under 5.5 inches long, and the head diameter is almost exactly 1 inch. It's 1.06 inches to be precise. Of course, if the clip is on, it will protrude out a little bit further. The holster is also very nice. It's a good heavy material, quality construction. I did try to tear it up, and it held up nicely. With the holster, the whole package weighed 6.6 ounces, and without it, the bare light was 5.5 or 5.5 ounces. So just over an ounce of weight on the holster. This light has an IP68 rating, so very good rating here. It can be dunked in water, and it has great intrusion resistance as well as a 1 meter drop rating. This light is powered by a 5300 milliamp hour Nitecore branded 21700 battery, which Nitecore models as NL2153HP. Based on the unwrapping of previous Nitecore batteries, this battery is likely a rebranded Samsung, Panasonic, or Sanyo. Nitecore batteries have a very good reputation, as do their standalone chargers. Interestingly, this light can also be powered by an 18650 battery, which I really appreciate. Another plus is the integrated USB-C charging port, which is perfect, and its location is also perfect, as it sits on the head of the light beneath or on the opposite side from the side switch button and indicator LEDs. Very intuitive. The indicator LEDs are another great feature on this light. There are two sets which flank the side switch. One is an output indicator and the other is a battery indicator. So literally everything you need to know about this light is made obvious to the user, and it is a very intuitive design. The LED chip in this light is a new model. It is a UHI-40, and it's set into a smooth, somewhat deep reflector, and there is a proximity sensor on this light as well. The light has a max output of 3300 lumens and 63,500 candela, and it throws for 505 meters, or just over 1,650 feet. Nitecore has also chosen the dual switch option on this light, and I really like the tail switch side switch design. I like tail switches on lights of this size, and I think the combination of the tail and side switch is a great design. I also like that the tail switch has a half press feature for momentary activation of the light, which is very nice. Once you fully depress the tail switch, the modes can be cycled through using the side switch, and the LED indicators make it very obvious which mode you're in. The light will also remember your last mode, which is another very nice feature. Another interesting feature, which some people will love, although it's not one that I'm personally going to really use, but it's the ultra low mode. In the past, viewers have lamented the lack of moonlight modes on certain lights, and if that's your thing, this light does not disappoint. By depressing the side switch and the tail switch simultaneously, you enter into a 1 lumen ultra low or moonlight mode, which will run for nearly a month straight, according to Nitecore. The strobe and beacon modes are also cycled through by holding down the side switch. So the output modes are 1 lumen, which is the ultra low, then 50 lumens on low, and then it goes to 300 lumens for mid, then 1200 lumens on high, and then 3300 for turbo. And in my testing, turbo never downshifted on me. I also really like the beam profile of this light. It's very usable. Nitecore has made the hotspot on this light perfect. It just looks absolutely perfect. When the light is shined, it has a perfectly round hotspot and the perfect amount of usable spill. You can see how usable this light is even at many different distances. The light is now one of my favorite lights of this form factor. It is a great light. If you have enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Not Normal Behavior, and we will see you on the next one. Cheers.